Hello guys, welcome to 10 Skills Africa. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the part 2 of this particular video. How we're going to turn this particular code into a mobile application. If you have not watched this video, please try and do so that you understand everything I'm doing in today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to turn the code into a mobile application, add my splash screen, add my app icon. I'm going to also add my ad unit, and AdMob app is going to show. So without wasting much of your time, so what we'll do next now, we'll go over to our browser. So now here is our Chrome browser. So what we're going to do now, um App Creator. So we're going to be using this platform, App Creator 24. If you have not watched tutorials about this, I have made a compared tutorial about this platform. So we're going to click on App Creator. So when we click on it, we're going to create a new account. I'm going to show you how to sign up an account. So I have an account already, but I'm going to sign another account. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on sign up. So it's going to take you to this particular page. So what you're going to do now, you're going to type your name. I'm going to type my name. I'm going to type my name here. So this is not my real name, so I'm just going to type it. This is not my real name. um so I'm going to type my name. So I'm going to put my country. You check whatever country you are. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to put Nigeria. So I'll select Nigeria here. So I'm going to put an email. So I'm going to put any email, we create the password and password. I'm going to create a password. So in this, I don't want to do all this long procedure. I'm just going to click on sign in. So using Google Direct, so it's going to direct me to any of my Gmail account. So I'm just going to choose any of my Gmail account here. And I'm going to, let's choose anyone. So allow it to load. So going to click on accept here. Click on accept, continue. So it's going to load automatically. So it's going to direct you to this page, creating your first mobile application. If you have never created a mobile application, this is where it's going to take you here directly. So now what you do now here, you can create with an AI. Try AI to create your app. You can use an AI, but also use normal. So what we're going to do, app name. We already have our app name. We're going to name it Candy. Candy Pop. And you see app icon launcher. We have two different. We have option one and option two. Option two is they have already gallery. When we click on it, they have gallery which you can choose an app icon and the rest. So we already have our own app icon here. We have our own app icon here. So I don't want to choose any here. I just have to cancel it. It's still loading. I just have to cancel it. So I'm going to upload my own here. I'll click on this choose file. I'm going to click on download. So when I click on download, I'm going to drag it down. I have my own app icon already and my splash screen already. So I'm going to drag it down. So here is my app icon. So I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it, what you're going to just type app description, you're going to type Candy Pop as or and this other pop. For primary language, just leave it as English. So now it's saving. So let's wait for next procedure. What we're going to do next. My network is kind of bad. So next, what we're going to do now, we're going to choose style. Select the style of the app. We're going to select the style. So what we're going to select now, I prefer using black. Yeah, I prefer using black. So you just click on next. So you click on next. So now there are many varieties here. You can create a web app, you can create a chat app, you can create a TV app, a video app, a quiz, etc. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on create an empty application. So now go to app manager, click on go to app manager. So here is it. What we're going to do first of all, listen to me. What we're going to do first of all, click on this general, go to name and icon. So when you go to name and icon, the package name. So packaging simply means it's an app identifier that make your app different from other apps. So we're going to do just add app on it. Some actually make it longer, and you can put com no small later com dot candy dot soda pop dot app. you're going to change the version so that it will be more easier for us. You change the version, you make it 1.0, 1.0. So this our app icon is okay. And if you're adding an app unit, AdMob app, you're going to add Google AdMob ID, which I will be saying more in future. So don't make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss more updates about this. If you have any question, you can chat me below. We have also Facebook ad. If you want to add a Facebook ad, so you're going to put their code here. So I'm going to save it. So when I save it, I'm going to click on packaging does not contain space. Okay, package name. Okay, package name. This dot com. There's a package name. You see. Click on it. Dot. So we're going to save. We're going to save it. After we save it, we click on OK. So after it's generating, it's going to take us to the next page. So what we're going to do next is we're going to come out to this. Sorry, we're going to design first. Go to design. After design, click on this loading image. After clicking on this loading image, we're going to upload our own loading image. So we're going to click on choose. We're going to click on choose. Click on download or whatever your browser is showing you. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down. So here's the image I'm going to be using. Here is it. I'm going to be using this image. So now what I will do here is you're going to put margin no, come to here, fit screen keep ratio. That's where you're going to put OK. Then next, the second should be, let's leave it at 3 seconds to load to take us. Then loading type put no, doesn't want anything. So what we'll do now, click on OK. When I click on OK like this, automatic is going to save. Automatic is going to save. So what we're going to do next is we're going to visit this platform here, this particular menu type. So let's allow it to save first before we can move to the next section. So now it's done. So what we're going to do next, we're going to type menu type. We're going to menu type. So we'll click on menu type. You now scroll over to no menu. Don't click no menu, click on OK. So then you save it. So after saving, what we'll do next is we're going to into the main section. Click on section, click on create. What we're going to do now, go to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After you click on this particular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you click on it. Click on enter direct HTML advanced. Click on next. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to our code. We're going to copy our code. Our code is here already, so we're going to copy it and paste it here. So here's the code. So we'll just do long pressed. I'll just do long pressed here. Select all. I'll now copy it. Sorry, my phone is kind of slow. There are a lot of things inside the phone. So go back. Trusting God for a new phone this year. So click on this. Click on back. Then we're going to click on paste. So as you can see, our code has been pasted. In this section title, just type candy. Candy. Just type candy. That's all. Let's click on saved. When you click on save, that's been saved now already. As you can see, it has been saved. So now we are going to add our art here. We're going to add our art here. So click on this art section. So we have many art here. You can add AdMob, AdNext, Start.io, Unity Ad, Woster, Money Tag, etc. So if you want to view more guide, you can click on this. So we're going to be adding AdMob. So we're going to be adding free AdMob ad. Google has provided us with a demo of this particular ad unit. So here are the formats. So it is very risky. AdMob has updated their platform. It is very risky to use your ad units when you're creating your app. So now you can create your app with test and ads. Here are the test ads. Then if it is working normal, make sure you have at least 20 installers. Then you can now that are using your app daily. Then you can now install the real art. So what we're going to be using interstitial art and banner art. We're going to be using interstitial and banner art. Here's the interstitial art. So we're going to copy it. Sorry, let's copy it. We'll copy it. The first one is banner, then the second one. I don't want to come back to this platform. Just copy it. So now get over back. So now here's app creator here. So our banner art, we're going to paste our banner art here. The number second one. Here is it. Want to paste it. We come back. So you make sure that it's at the bottom of this. Don't change it, don't leave it bottom. Don't use top. Normal size. Show ad in chat. Does not concern you with that. Here you can put the ads, the interstitial ad here. So now here it says that in app frequency, how many page from how many page is going to show. So let at beginning, let's leave it at 3. Let's leave it at 3. In show in games after play, after 3 times play. Then show ad on app launch. We'll now put 2 times interstitial ad there. We'll leave it as interstitial ad. So when you scroll down, this is reward video ad. We have not added, but we'll make sure that we'll put it at show always. Then we'll now click save. So it's going to show our ad on this particular app. So now in order AdMob appear, require the AdMob ID ad info. So as I said earlier, this is what it's saying. Go to general, go to app.next. So you need to add this particular app ID. So I have checked the website, like they did not give us app ID. They did not give us app ID. So let's see whether it's there. And we're just going to download it and cross check. So if you want to download it, get over to app and download app. Sorry, download app. So click on it. So it's going to take us to another page. If our app is ready, the platform have already implemented everything we tell it to do, and it has done it. So it's going to show us download. So as you can see, download. So what we're going to do now, just click on this download here, and it's going to start downloading automatically. So what I'm going to do now, after it's downloading, we're going to continue with the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as we're going to bring you a lot of tutorials on these particular channels. And one of the beautiful thing about this is you're going to learn it with your mobile phone and start earning passive income for yourself. So as you can see, our app has finished downloading. Here is it. Our app has finished downloading. So what we're going to do, we're going to install it. When you click on it, so it's going to start loading. Sorry, my phone, there's a lot of things in the phone, that's why it's kind of slow. Trusting God for new phone this year, just to make sure I make tutorials for you guys. What I need from you guys is a like, share, and subscribe. If you come across the video, I need a like, share, and subscribe, and you will learn a lot from this channel. I bet you will learn a lot. So as you can see, it's preparing, staging the app. I see our app is installing now. As you can see, it's installing. So wait for it a little bit. So I'm going to pause the video so that the video is not going to be long. So our app has finished installing. So what we're going to do next is let me on my data. What we're going to do next is click on open. Let's see how our app is and how it's looking. It's loading. This is our splash screen. As you can see, this is our splash screen. Looking excellent. Okay, as you can see now, it has finished level by level. We have about 20 level here. So as time goes on, we're going to be increasing. So we're going to click on play. I'll click on play. Let's see. Sorry, my phone is kind of slow, so it will take a time for it to play because these are a lot of code here. So as you can see, this is level 1, just simple as your Candy Crush is. As you can see, so it's going to show you level 1. Look at the time, how many moves, score. You can see 25 move left. You can see level completed. So it's going to be showing you, going to click on next level. This is what it's going to take you, as you can see. So the more you go hard, the more you go, the more it become tougher. The more you go, the more it become tougher. So thank you very much. I'm sorry for the ads unit. So what you just have to do, you just have to include your ads. What you have to do, just include your AdMob app ID. That's all, and it's going to start showing ads. So for now, as you can see, there's no ads. It's not showing ads. So thank you very much for the video. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how we can upload this on a Google Play Store. Sorry, not Play Store, supported Play Store. Yes, I'm going to show you on our next video. I'm going to show you how we can upload this on APK Play Store, and so that it can reach a lot of users, and how you can promote it and get a lot of people. Thank you, and see you in the next video.